everybody, I'm back. Now this is a video that I should have done last year, but I thought it'd be great to finish off my series on my trip. This is my last day in Queensland, leaving Tamborine Mountain. I had to get back to Sydney to take care of some business, so wasn't looking forward to leaving the beautiful blue skies and sunshine, but I had no choice. Now I won't be talking too much during this video. I just wanted to show you some of the nice scenery while it lasts, because it gets pretty shitty at the end. So you're probably noticing the little bit of rain that's starting to fall around me, and yeah, we'll see. The weather started looking bad, so I decided I better pull over and put my wet gear on. Alright, we're just going to check on wet. As I'm putting on my gear, I kind of look around and see that there's some clouds, but kind of hoping that it doesn't get too bad. Right about now I'm starting to get a bit of rain, and then I'm realizing this is gonna get pretty terrible. Look, I'm not gonna lie, I love riding. Doesn't matter what the weather is, but when it's cold and wet, not as fun. Absolutely pissing down. At this point in time, I think pretty much my pants are wet, boots are wet, hands were wet, my neck was wet, everything, every single thing part of me was wet. Yeah, it wasn't getting any better, so I had to stop, take a break, and lo and behold, there was a rest stop with coffee. G'day. So, by some luck, I found a place that does coffee at the rest stop. Got myself a meat pie. It's cold, it's wet. That's how I know I'm in New South Wales. Camera up for this. There you go. It's wet. Bag's wet. Ah, these are soaked. Yeah. Look at that. Whoop. Daggone, they're not waterproof. Got my rain pants on, Kevlar underneath. Those are supposed to be waterproof boots, but they are absolutely filled and they're slushing my toes around in water. But I'm not going to open that because once they come off, they're not going to go back on, that's for sure. And this RJ's jacket is doing the trick. Surprisingly, this side's dry, that's all dry, except where the crotch is, so you'd think they put more waterproofing down there. You can watch me eat a meat pie. No sauce because I'm an animal. They make good coffee, that's for sure. I'm only another 3 hours out before getting home. So I'm going to take a little break and push forward. Oh yeah, and there's my bike over there. So it kept on going on my way home. At this point I was only a couple hours out and I ran out of batteries and all my cables stopped working because of the water. So enjoy the rest of the footage and thanks for watching, guys.